Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to fix your iCloud shared notes that won't update. The most common solutions are clearing your browser cache, logging back into your iCloud account, and optimizing your storage space. If you're using iCloud in a browser, try deleting your cache. For Google Chrome users, click the three dots in the top right. Then go down to Settings. There, click Privacy and Security in the left navigation pane. Now head down and click Clear Browsing Data. Unselect Cookies and Browsing History. Then hit Clear Data. Check the description for links on how to clear cache data in other popular browsers. Now refresh your page, and check if your shared notes are updating. Another quick fix is to sign out and then back into your iCloud account. To do that, open System Settings. Then click your name in the top left. Now head down and click Sign Out. Once you've signed out, enter your Apple ID and hit Next. Then enter your password and hit Next again. If that didn't fix your problem, move on to Method 3. To upgrade or optimize your storage, start by clicking iCloud. While you're here, check to make sure iCloud Drive is turned on. And then scroll down and ensure Notes is toggled on. Now head up, and toggle on Optimize Mac Storage. If you're still short on space, click Manage. Now click Add Storage. And then select a storage option. Please note that additional storage can cost from 99 cents a month. Now hit Next. Then enter your password, and hit Buy. If you're still stuck, try some of the following solutions. First, perform a full restart of your device. Then temporarily disable your firewall. If that works, you'll need to include iCloud in your firewall exceptions or exclusions. And finally, try to reset your internet connection. That's all for this video. We hope it was helpful. Check the description for additional links and resources. And leave a comment below if you have any concerns or questions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.